The first or original version did not pass the presidential smell test. So a rewrite was in order that perhaps could sway the president if he likes what he reads. Our Daniel Manalastas on the short and sweet of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s take on Senate Bill 1979 after his first read.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. will read first the substitute bill on Senate Bill 1979, or the Prevention of Adolescent Pregnancy Act of 2023. This was his response to the question on whether his view has changed with the removal of certain provisions in the substitute bill. Senator Risa Hontiveros filed a substitute bill to amend the original and controversial version, particularly provision in Section 6 of the bill, where it says the Comprehensive Sexuality Education, or the CSE, shall be standardized and implemented in all public and private basic education institutions and shall be integrated in the school curriculum under the guidance of DepEd and international standards. Under the substitute bill, Hontiveros removed the international standards provision.
And in the end, anyway, kung international standards ay isa lamang sa mga gabay, in the end, the buck stops sa ating konstitusyon ng Pilipinas. Kaya importanteng pagbabago rin yan sa ating substitute bill na ang comprehensive sexuality education ay bibigyan lamang sa mga adolescents mula 10 years old hanggang or pataas.
Hontiveros also addressed the criticisms of some of her fellow senators.
Ang point ko lang, nakakabudol kasi yung title. Nakakabudol yung title ng bill, Preventing Teenage Pregnancy. Meron pa bang grupo ng tao dito sa mundo na ayaw itong titulo na ito, i-prevent natin yung teenage pregnancy. Pero pag binasa mo yung buong bill, di ba? And sabi nga nila, the devil is in the details.
The devil is also in accurate representation ng trabaho ng mga colleagues. Ang totoong pambubudol ay yung ginawa ng mga nag-fake news laban sa bill. Ang totoong pangbubudol ay yung mga nagkalat ng disinformation at nanakot sa ating sambayanan.
Question is, with the withdrawal of some senators who signed the committee report, could the bill be reinstated in the committee level knowing it cannot muster enough votes to make it pass the plenary? The Senate President has this response.
Depende kung ilan. Depende kung ilan at kung majority na base sa komite. At kailangan din suriin dahil minsan may mga joint committee. Yes, kung substitute bill. Pero hindi ko pa na kasi nababasa yung letters of withdrawal at kung ilan eh.
From PTV Manila, Daniel Manalastas, Balitang Pambansa.